Hey, what's going on guys, Crimson here, and I've tried recording this a few times and it's just really hard because I keep messing up a lot. Like, I'm not just messing up a few words, I mess up an entire sentence, so this is really complicated. But you know, this is going to be a little bit of my recap for 2018 and what I have planned for 2019. So if you guys do end up enjoying the video, make sure to drop a like on it. But anyways guys, let's get straight into the video. Now for the most part, I'm going to try not to cut anything out because I feel like that takes away from the realness of the video. So I'm just going to keep going on a talking spree and you guys are going to hear me mumble a lot, but it's fine. So for 2018, basically I had a lot of things planned and I didn't really hit any of them because, of course, if you guys don't know, I'm in high school and I'm a senior and I'm basically on my way out already. And I'm college bound basically, and it just took up a lot of my time doing a lot of work to try to get the right grades and everything, and even then I still don't think I'm ready for college. So there's a lot of things that are on my plate at the moment, so you know, that's what I'm dealing with. And on YouTube I've been at 11,000 subscribers for quite some time now, so that wasn't really motivating me to make new videos because I wasn't really gaining that many subs. So it was just kind of, you know, sad, and I couldn't really find the motivation in me to do anything. And I'm not one to like talk about my feelings and everything, but that really did like hit me hard because I couldn't go up or down in numbers. I was at the exact same standstill number for a really long time. And you know, sometimes I was uploading videos that took me like 6 hours and I would get like 10 views and I was like, okay, well, this isn't the right type of content. And then I would switch it to the point where I was just uploading a little bit of everything, and that doesn't really work on YouTube. You want to stick to one thing, and I was just doing a lot of everything and that was just not working out for me. But thankfully along the way, Christopher Yee blew up, and Christopher Yee really brought back the motivation of, you know, interacting with the viewers and everything like that, because I was basically ready to give up and just quit my YouTube channel. I was already starting to focus on other things like Twitch, and Christopher Yee told me, like, you know, just keep uploading, keep doing your thing. He's like, I haven't stopped uploading, and you know, I still have my old videos on my channel that don't have that many views, and look where I'm at now. He's over 100,000 subscribers, and I was like, you know, he's putting in the time and the effort, and it worked out for him. And I was like, it might not work out for me, but I haven't even put in the time or the effort, so I have to give it a shot at least. Another thing that got me really passionate about making YouTube videos is the tech community. If you guys don't know, I participated in a Secret Santa with 9 other YouTubers, and they're all tech YouTubers and they're all really awesome people. And I think that that was basically, you know, my biggest thing about 2018, that I got to interact with all of them, because I've watched a lot of them. Some are small, some are really big, and I've been watching them for a really long time. And it's just really nice to know that I was able to fit in with a group on YouTube, because finding a group on YouTube is just like the hardest thing ever, and knowing that I had a group of friends out there is just something really cool to me. For the longest time on YouTube, I've been uploading content that I feel is okay, but I'm not really happy with, because it sounds a lot like robotic content, and it's just, you know, a lot of rambling here, a lot of rambling there, and I'm not really having fun while I'm doing it. And for 2019, I plan to upload content that I like and the way I like it. I'm not going to try to be like Dave2D, not going to try to be like Linus Tech Tips, I'm not going to try to be like other YouTubers. I really just want to focus on making videos that I want to make, the way I want to make them, when I want to make them. Obviously I want to make them more than once a week, because for the most part that's what my schedule was this year, and I just really want to upload 2 to 3 videos a week. And I know that I can do it because I used to upload daily, you know, videos, gaming videos every day, and that would take a lot of my time. Yet there I was every day staying up till midnight, and now I stay up till like 1 in the morning, yet I don't upload a video. So I find it, you know, inexcusable for me to be doing all of these things when I could have easily done them ahead of time. At the end of the day though, 2019 is a year that I'm actually really excited for. Like I did say probably last year, the beginning, I said I wasn't really too excited for 2018, and when you look at that, it wasn't a very great year, and that was because I didn't really have any motivation to keep going. But now that I do, I am just gonna go off of the idea of competition. The tech fam is really awesome, and now I'm just in the running for, you know, seeing who can get more subscribers, who can get more views. Now the competition within me is just thriving, and I'm just super excited to get my feet wet and back into the competition of making videos and everything like that. So I'm really excited to make videos for you guys again. And I know that a lot of people make new goals every single year, whether it's subscriber goals, viewer goals, you know, following goals of any sort. And I just think that, you know, that's cool and everything, but for me, I don't want to make goals about that. I want to make goals about whether or not I'm going to be entertained making my videos, because if I'm not having fun, I don't care if I have 1 million subscribers. That seems really pointless to me. And in general, I'm just the type of person that likes to socialize with a lot of other people. And now that I'm finally 18, I turned 18 years old December 4th, and now that I'm 18 and I'm almost out of high school, next year for 2019, I'm going to have a lot of freedom to go anywhere I want. So, you know, I expect to go to TwitchCon Con and all these different events because I'm finally old enough to go by myself, and I just feel like those events are going to be amazing for socializing with people that I've talked to over the internet for years, and that's just really exciting to me because a lot of the times that was holding me back because I was a minor and I couldn't go to places and stuff like that. But now that I'm able to, you know, go to these places by myself, I feel like it's going to be a really great opportunity to connect with all these other people, all these other brands, because for some reason I'm just really good at, you know, talking to people, and I find that to be really weird because I have a lot of friends in a bunch of different locations and I don't know how I do it. I just kind of talk to them, and over a course of like a month or two we're like best friends, and it's just the craziest thing ever, and I think that's really something cool that I do. But anyways, guys, hopefully you guys did enjoy this little recap. Hopefully it wasn't too much, you know, like an earful of, you know, me just talking. But for the most part, the end goal of this entire video is just be ready for some content that's going to be more me, more genuine, and less robotic, less, you know, generic on YouTube. Hopefully you guys do end up enjoying all of that. Also, make sure to check the link down below for the giveaway that me and the Tech Fam are doing. We're giving away some gift cards, and if you guys signed up, you guys might win yourself one. There's a few days left. I think it's like 10 to 12 days, so make sure to go check it out. But anyways, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and the backdrop, and I will catch you guys around. Peace, guys.